Hey guys, how's it going? Today we have something a little bit different for you. We're not talking drones, we're not talking technology. We have a video that my son has made. Just a short little minute and a half or so. Earlier today, he and I were watching some King of Random on YouTube, and he decided he would like to recreate one of the activities that was on that video. So the video you're about to see is the recreation of that, and we had a good time putting it together. It is 100% him. He did the editing. It's the first time ever editing a video, especially with Premiere Pro, and I think he did a fantastic job. So again, we're not talking drones, we're not talking technology. If that's what you're here for, then maybe skip this one and come back for our next video, but I think you'll like it, so stick around, and we will catch you on another video after this one. Take care, have a great day.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Today, we are doing an experiment with food coloring, any color of your choice, a pan. You need dish soap, milk, and optionally a stick. First, take the milk. You need to pour about ½ inch into the pan. Perfect. Then, I'm using blue and red. You can use 2 or 3 or however much you want. Perfect pattern. Next, you want to get the dish soap. This is going to be amazing, trust me. And then, the option of the stick is just to mix it around and do some art, I guess. I'm not an artist. But you can just spread it around, make some cool art. Then I'm just gonna add in a little bit of green because why not? Just get a little bit streaks of green, like grass. And there we have it. Just some nice little art, nice little experiment that you can try at home. You can use many different colors. We only have these. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.